beneath this tree. Roy's timber rock, Roy's timber rock. Carve it slow, make it sing, make it stop. Roy's timber rock, Roy's timber rock. One small cut, turns a block to art. Roll through the room, soft like rain on a carved out spoon. Little Nick, Big Mark, Roy left the floor in the dark. Roy's timber rock, Roy's timber rock. Carve it slow, make it sing, make it stop. Roy's timber rock, Roy's timber rock. One small cut, turns a block to art. Roy in the shed at dawn, oak dust on his hands. Old plan drawn on scrap wood, plain work, steady stands. One board, one mark, one cut, he lets the grain decide. Every knot got a story, every line a guide. Slow and careful, he don't rush the line. Measure twice, breathe once, let it come out right. Roy's timber up, Roy's timber up. Piece by piece it brings it to heart. Roy's timber up, Roy's timber up. Slow hands turning rough wood smart. Call it true. Through and through. Englishman with a calm eye, tea gone cold on the bench. Birdhouse for the garden,
Change the
boat sign for
over.
the fence. A fox in a cedar cup,
Give me the
a
thumbs
saint in maple grain. Different projects, same devotion, same quiet flame. Slow and careful, he don't fake the shine.
Clearly
If the wood fights back, he waits in time. Roy's timber up, Roy's timber up. Piece by piece it brings it to heart. Roy's timber up, Roy's timber up. Slow hands turning rough wood
can't
smart.
hear me, Kim.
Call it true. Through and through.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Tim.
Some men
I'm
chase
going
the
to literally
fast
do
lane,
30
Roy
minutes
lets
of
the
this.
hour bend.
Then
One
I'm going
deep
to go up
breath,
into
one
my
clean angle,
studio.
and the shape comes back again from rough
Simple reason,
to
I've
near
got a
perfect.
new lighting system.
From timber to art. Roy's timber right, Roy's timber right. Piece by piece it brings it to
I will
heart.
probably need some
Roy's
help
timber
with
right,
this in a bit.
Roy's
So
timber right. Slow hands turning rough wood smart.
I bought some new lights system, and apparently, because I wanted better cameras, and I've asked quite a few people, and they said you can get the best camera. Quite expensive, but that's okay. And I just wanted to know if they were any good in a bit.
I picked up pine in the morning, old grain dancing in my hand, Roy's timber rod on the table, got a new dream in the sand, sawdust on my apron, little curls on the floor. I was just looking for something, now I'm learning so much more. Carve it slow, let it show, hear the shape begin to grow. One small cut, then another, soon the hidden light will glow. Roy's timber rod, make it sing, pine and oak, wood spirits wave, make it sing, Roy's timber rod, turn it round, birdhouses bloom from the grain, beautiful, I found a knot in the pine board, turn it into a little wing, every mark got a purpose, every chip made something sing, making beautiful carvings with my own two hands.
Right, so
I can shape a
definitely
brand
need
new
that.
future from the roughest bits of land. Try one thing, then you'll see skill grows up naturally. If the wood can change its story, baby, so can you and me. Roy's timber rod, make it sing, pine and oak, wood spirits wave, make it sing, Roy's timber rod, turn it round, birdhouses bloom from the grain, beautiful, learn something new today, let your hands find a way, start a new hobby,
Right, Tim's
watch your
listening.
old doubts fade
Hopefully, Tim,
away.
let me know. Just bear in mind, if time no good
Watch
for
me
you,
turn that block
I'll
to
go
art.
back to 3
One
o'clock.
little spark, one brave first cut can open up your heart. Roy's timber rod, make it sing, pine and oak, wood spirits wave, make it sing, Roy's timber rod, turn it round, birdhouses bloom from the grain, beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. Come along tonight. Roy's timber rod, bring your hands to the light.
Thank you very much for joining me. If you've got this far, please consider subscribing. You can hit the notification bell. I do a live stream most days, 15:30 British Summer Time. Hope to see you there. We have a great community. And thank you again.
1/8. I'm not going to be using plain burr for a while.
Sorry with the block in hand, fresh cut cedar, slow and planned.